Today we'll be unboxing and setting up the Ender 3 version 2 3D printer. I just picked this 3D printer up from Canada Computers for a very good price. So let's get right into the unboxing. First, let's see what comes inside of the box. So it comes with very nice styrofoam packaging. So we have the two, this is the y-axis, I believe, the y-axis. And then this is like a bag of accessories. There's a little bit of filament. Oh, there's the extrusion, like to get the PLA into the nozzle. Some tips. The belt. And also, the USB with the SD card to put your G-code files onto the printer. So that's really nice that they included the SD card. And now, they even gave the scraping tool to scrape your prints off of the bed of the 3D printer. These are the tools, all the tools that are required to build the printer. So that's good. And then, this is the tension for the belt. And then the power cable. This is to hold the spool together. So that's where you would put your filament around, so. We have the user manual. We're gonna need this to put all the parts together because it looks a little complicated. So this, I guess, is the version 2 screen, because I remember seeing a smaller screen which was on the version 1 3D printers. So that's pretty nice. There's a rotary knob, so it's nice. Motor number 1. This is where the plastic comes out of for the 3D print, right here. It's attached to the bed of the main 3D printer part. Now we just pull the whole thing out. And that's all that's in the box.